Say 7.2. I'm trying to record that whole thing because the old JEE NEET YouTube video doesn't have all sums in it. At 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. 1 plus x square is t, 2x into dx becomes dt, and 2x dx itself is there. So it's dt by t, which is log t, which is log of mod of 1 plus x square plus c. So let's go to second question. Log x the whole square by x dx. The sum, they will not give dx, you have to write dx. Log x is t, 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So 1 by x into dx it becomes dt. So this becomes t square dt, which is t cube by 3, which is what is t? Log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. So let's go to third question. 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Just take it out and write it like this. So that 1 plus log x itself is t, 1 by x into dx becomes dt, and a 1 by x and dx is already there, dt by t, which is log t, which is log of mod of 1 plus log x plus c. So let's go to fourth sum. Fourth sum is sine cos x. Now integration dx. The sine of sine cos x, sine x into sine cos x. The sine of cos x la vanna, cos x ye t nu veppen. Minus sin x dx will become dt. The sin x dx becomes minus dt therefore. So sin t into minus dt. So minus comes out. Integration of sin t is minus cos t. So cos t plus c, which is cos of cos x plus c. Let's go to next sum, which is the fifth sum. Fifth sum is integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. And you know that if you keep one thing as t, the other thing can become dt. So if you keep sin of ax plus b as t, cos of ax plus b into, if you break chain rule, a into dx will become dt. Do you have cos of ax plus b in dx? You don't have a, so dt by a. So 1 by a into t into dt, because the whole sine thing is t. So 1 by a into t square by 2. What is t? Sin square ax plus b by 2a plus c. Let's go to sixth question. Sixth question is integration of root of ax plus b. They won't give you dx, you have to write the dx. Here you're going to consider that ax plus b itself is t. A into dx becomes dt. So dx itself is dt by a. So what you're going to do is you're going to write dt here and a 1 by a. I'm going to replace it as root t. And a root t is nothing but t to the power 1 by 2. So t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 on integration. So 2 by 3a into t to the power 3 by 2. At 2 by 3a into t itself is ax plus b, the whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Let's go to seventh question. Integration of x into root of x plus 2 into dx. Here root kulla irukra x plus 2a, I will assume it as t. So dx becomes equal to dt. So this is becoming, what is this x therefore? Is t minus 2. So change it around. You get a t minus 2 into root t into dt. The advantage is now you can bring it inside. So t to the power 1 into t to the power 1 by 2 is t to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 into t to the power half dt and a dt. T to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into t to the power 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1, which is like this. Just solve it, write c and substitute what is t. What is t? Is x plus 2. Substitute finally and check the book back answers. Eighth question. X into root of 1 plus 2x square, integration and dx. The root kulla irukkiradha t avai. Okay, generally velila x irukku, linear. So quadratic you can make it as t. So 1 plus 2x square itself as t. 4x into dx becomes dt. What do you have as a x dx? So dt by 4. So it's root t into dt by 4. 1 by 4 into t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, where the 2 and the 4 get cancelled. So it's 1 by 6 into t, which is 1 plus 2x square, the whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So let's go to ninth question. It's 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So then x root kulla irukkiradha t nu veiyina, 2x plus 1 into dx becomes dt. You take a 2 out from here. So you get a 2x plus 1 only. It is obviously it's becoming t and dt. This thing is dt. Can you see here? So it's 2 into root t into dt, which is 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it will be 4 by 3 into t to the power 3 by 2. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 the whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Let's go to 10th question. 1 by x minus root x into dx. From this, root x is t, 1 by 2 root x will become dt. With that in mind, I am taking the root x common. So it will become root x minus 1 into dx. If root x minus 1 itself as t, 1 by 2 root x into dx becomes dt. And a 1 by root x dx itself can be written as 2 times dt. So 2 into dt by t, which is 2 into log t, which is 2 into log of mod of root of x minus 1 plus c. So let's go to 11th question. X by root of x plus 4 into dx. Root kulla x plus 4 irukradnala I will assume that as t. X plus 4 as t, dx is equal to dt, and male x irukku, x will be t minus 4. So it will become a t minus 4 by root t into dt, which is t by root t plus minus 4 by root t into dt and dt. This will go up, this is half, 1 minus half is half, so root t into dt, minus this will go up as t to the power minus 1, t to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. You know that you don't have to do all this, because root x differentiation itself is 1 by 2 root x. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x, so 2 root t. It is becoming 8 root t. Correct? This has it been integrated? This has not been integrated yet. I have just cancelled it, right? T by root t is root t. I didn't integrate. T to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 8 root t plus c. What is t? T is x plus 4. So x plus 4 the whole to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 8 into x plus 4 plus c. Let's go to next sum. Next sum is 12th question. X to the power 3 minus 1 into x to the whole to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5 into dx. The moment I see this, I have x to the power 3 here. If I keep it as t, I'll get 3x square into dx as dt. So I'm going to try to keep what is in the bracket as t. 3x square into dx becomes dt. I will write this as x cube into x square. I'll write this as x cube into x square into dx. So I have a x square dx, which becomes a dt. So then x cube will become a t plus 1. This itself is t to the power 1 by 3 into t plus 1 the whole to the power 3 into dt. Correct? So now if you can expand this and bring the t to the power 1 by 3 inside, it's a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. And then bring the t to the power 3 inside and then finally integrate and get your answer. So this is a very, very important sum. So let's go to next question. The 13th question is x square by 2 plus 3x cube the whole to the power 3. The moment you see quadratic and cubical, you assume 2 plus 3x cube as t. So 9x square into dx will become dt. You have an x square dx only, so it's dt by 9. So dt by t cube, which is 1 by 9 into t to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. So 1 by 9 into t to the power minus 2 by minus 2, which will be t to the power minus 2 by minus 18, minus 1 by 18 by t square, minus 1 by 18 into 2 plus 3x cube, yeah, the whole square, plus c. So let's go to next question. 14th question is it? 1 by x into log x the whole to the power m into dx. Log x is equal to t. 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. And 1 by x dx will become dt by t to the power m. This will become t to the power minus m when taken to the numerator, which is t to the power minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1, which is log x the whole to the power 1 minus m by 1 minus m plus c. Let's go to 15th question. X by 9 minus 4x square into dx. Linear and quadratic. So 9 minus 4x square itself as t minus 8x into dx is equal to dt. And x dx becomes dt by minus 8. 1 by 8 into dt by t. Minus 1 by 8 into log t. Minus 1 by 8 into log of mod of 9 minus 4x square plus c. So let's go to next sum. 16th sum. E to the power 2x plus 3 into dx. You know, e to the power any crap is e to the power that crap divided by 2. because it's not differentiation into 2 by 2 plus c. And our teachers will insist that you have to write 2x plus 3 as t. 2 into dx is equal to dt. So dx itself is becoming dt by 2. So you have to do the sum to please your teacher. You have to do e to the power t into dt by 2. So 1 by 2 into e to the power t is e to the power that t plus c. What is it? E to the power 2x plus 3 plus c. You will end up getting the same answer. But it involves a lot of steps. I'm used to doing it in a shortcut way. So then let's go to 17th question. X by e to the power x square. The moment I see x square and x, I know it's linear and quadratic. X square is t, 2x dx is equal to dt. And x dx which is available will become dt by 2. So e to the power t. So half into e to the power minus t. Half into e to the power minus t by minus 1. Again here also your teachers will expect minus t is equal to u. Purida? Minus dt is equal to d. You will do all sorts of things, but you don't need all that. It's okay. So then it's minus 1 by 2 into e to the power minus t. What does t stands for? X square. Minus 1 by 2 into e to the power minus x square plus c. Let's go to next sum. 18th question. E to the power tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square. அங்கே clue இருக்கு. Tan inverse of x as t, 1 by 1 plus x square into dx becomes dt. This becomes a dt, it becomes e to the power t into dt. And e to the power t is nothing e to the power t plus c. E to the power tan inverse of x plus c. Let's go to next question. World's most important sum. E to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power 2x plus 1. There's no question paper without the sum number 19 in 7.2. World's most important sum. You take e to the power x out. So you get e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by, because there's no e to the power x. Still you take it out. So e to the power minus x. E to the power x, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. This and this get cancelled. கீழே இருக்கிறத t ன்னு வையே. மேல இருக்கிறது அப்படியே dt ஆர்தா பாரு. Minus e to the power minus x into dx will become dt. So this becomes dt by t. Therefore it becomes a log t, which is log of mod of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. World's most important sum. If you don't know that, you have to take e to the power x out. You're gone. So let's go to next sum. 20th sum. E to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. சும்மா கீழே இருக்கிறது அப்படியே t வை. மேலே இருக்கிறது அப்படியே dt ஆர்தா பாரு. e to the power 2x into 2 minus e to the power minus 2x into again 2 into dx is equal to dt. So you have to take 2 out. So e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. Now minus e to the power minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So இங்க பார்த்தேன்னா இங்க இது இருக்கு. ஆனா 2 இல்ல. So dt by 2. So it becomes dt by t. 1 by 2 into log t. This is 1 by 2 into log of mod of e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus c. 21st question. Integration of tan square 2x minus 3. You have to write as secant square x minus 1. ஞாபகம் secant square x minus 1 into dx. ஆனால் x க்கு பதிலா 2x minus 3. உங்கள் teachers will insist that you write 2x minus 3 as t 2 into that and all you will get it. I don't have to teach you. So புரியுதா? You can always do that. That's a small thing which you can learn. But the integration of secant square x is tan 2x minus 3 by 2. You know me. I will do it directly. Minus x plus c. If teachers are still insisting, you can do it her way. No problem. So let's go to 22nd question. Integration of secant square any crap is tan. So then tan of 7 minus 4x. And you know me. I'll just do by minus 4 plus c. I don't have the habit of taking t and dt for simple sums. But you can always do it if your teachers are insisting. 23rd question. Sin inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square into dx. You assume sin inverse of x as t. 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx becomes dt. This itself becomes dt. It's t into dt, which is t square by 2 plus c. What is it? Sin inverse of x the whole square by 2 plus c. Let's go to 24th question. The 24th question is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. The moment I see the sum, I know that I'm going to take a 2 out from the denominator. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. சும்மா வாச்சுக்கு இருக்கிறது dt வச்சா மேலே இருக்கிறது dt ஆகுதுமா பாரு. பார்த்தாலே வந்துடும். 3 cos x plus 2 sin x t ன்னு வச்சா minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x becomes into dx becomes dt. It's at minus dt ஆயிடுது. It's all negatives சரியா? இல்லையே கரெக்டாக இருக்கே. ப்ளஸ் dt தான் அப்படியே இருக்கு. Minus 3x அப்படியே இருக்கு. So 1 by 2 into there's no minus by t. So 1 by 2 into log t, which is 1 by 2 into log of mod of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. So then let's go to next sum, 25th question. 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square. Fishing, you can write it as secant square x by 1 minus tan x the whole square dx. 1 minus tan x itself as t, minus secant square x into dx becomes dt. This is becoming minus dt therefore by t square. And 1 by t square will become t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Substitute for t and write the answer. Sorry, minus 2 plus 1 in the power by minus 2 plus 1, which is t to the power minus 1 by minus 1. So it's plus 1 by t. So it's plus 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Can I go to next sum? The 26th sum, cos root x by root x. I already told you root x at t vecha 1 by 2 root x dx will become dt. The best part is root x, 1 by root x dx is there, 2 dt, it will become 2 dt. So it's 2 times dt into cos t, correct? And integration of cos t is simply sin t plus c. 2 into what is sin t? T is root x plus c. So let's go to 27th question. Root of sin 2x into cos 2x into dx. அப்படியே ரூட்டுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற sin 2x tன்னு வச்சா 2 into cos 2x into dx will become dt. So cos 2x dx which is there will become dt by 2. So root t into dt which is 1 by 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. The 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3 into t itself is sin 2x. The whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So let's go to next sum. 28th question. Cos x by root of 1 plus sin x into dx. 1 plus sin x t vecha cos x dx becomes dt. So the numerator becomes dt by root t. I told you root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by root x is 2 root x. So it's 2 root t. So 2 into root of 1 plus sin x plus c. So let's go to 29th question. Cot x into log of sin x, okay, into dx. Log of sin x t in which 1 by sin x into cos x into dx will become dt, which is cot x dx itself is dt. A cot x dx and circle and written dt. The t into dt which is t square by 2 plus c. What is t? Log of sin x the whole square by 2 plus c. Let's go to 30th question. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. 1 plus cos x t which minus sin x into dx becomes dt, but you have only sin x dx. So minus dt by t minus log t which is minus log of mod of 1 plus cos x plus c. Let's go to 31st question. Sin x by 1 plus cos x the whole square into dx. 1 plus cos x t which minus sin x into dx becomes dt. Sin x dx becomes minus dt by t square, which is t to the power minus 2. So then t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. You know, differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. The whole thing is minus 1 by t square. So it's just plus 1 by t. You can also assume it as plus 1 by t, which is 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. Correct? You can also write 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 plus c, which is 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 plus c. Let's go to next sum, which is which sum? 32. 1 by 1 plus cot x. I taught you that world's most important sum, where 1 by 1 plus cos x by sin x into dx. Take LCM, you get sin x by sin x plus cos x. Multiply and divide by 2. Then write it as whole bracket sin x plus sin x plus cos x minus cos x. The denominator is here also and there also. Okay, and then dx, no fishing. This and this get cancelled. 1 dx will get to x. It will become x. Either t vecha mele irukkiradhu appadiye dt agum. Sin x plus cos x is t. A cos x minus sin x into dx is becoming dt, which is minus dt, right? Which is minus dt by t integration. So half of x minus log t plus c. Half of x minus log of mod of sin x plus cos x plus c. Are you clear? Can I go to next sum? Okay, very good. So similar, I am not doing the 33rd, it's similar to this. 1 by 1 minus tan x, I am not doing it. 34th also is very easy. Tan x by sin x into cos x. You have to multiply and divide by denominator as cos x, so that you get a tan x and a cos square x, so that it will become 1 by root tan x into secant square x. It's become fishing. Tan x is t, secant square x dx became dt. So then therefore it's 1 by root t into dt. And you know 1 by root t is 2 root t. 2 root t into is answer plus c. 2 into root of tan x plus c. Because root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Integration of 1 by root x, which is here, is 2 root x. So 2 root t. So can I go to next sum? 35th question. 1 plus log x the whole square by x. Integration. 1 plus log x itself as t. 1 by x into dx will become dt. So this itself is dt and it's t square, which is becoming t cube by 3, which is 1 plus log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. Let's go to next sum. 36th question. X plus 1 into x plus log x the whole square by x. X plus log x itself as t. 1 plus 1 by x into dx will become dt. Did you notice that if you take this x here, it's nothing but 1 plus 1 by x. Yeah, we split it up. So it's x plus log x the whole square into dx. Can you see this itself became dt? So then it's t square into dt, which is t cube by 3, which is x plus log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. So let's go to next sum, which is the 37th sum. 37th sum. X cube into sine of tan inverse of x to the power 4 by 1 plus 1 x to the power 8. இது பார்த்த உடனே tan inverse of x to the power 4 is t. 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into 4x cube into dx is equal to dt. Then if you see this is there, this is also there. So 1 by 4 into sin t into dt. An integration of sin t is nothing but minus cos t. Minus 1 by 4 into cos of what is t? Tan inverse of x to the power 4 plus c. So let's go to next question. So 38th question. Integration of 10x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x into log 10 to the base e into dx by x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x into dx. இது கிராப் மாதிரி கொஸ்டின். கீழே இருக்கிறது சும்மாவா அப்படியே t வை. x to the power n is 10 into x to the power 9. கரெக்டாக இருக்கா dt? So a to the power x is a to the power x log a to the base e. கரெக்டாக இருக்கு மேலே dt. So dx is equal to dt. மேலே இருக்கிறது dt by t, which is log t, which is log of mod of x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x plus c. So can I go to 39th question? It's dx by a sin square x into cos square x. There are many ways to think about it. I'll take it as 1, which is sin square x plus cos square x by a sin square x cos square x by a sin square x cos square x. The advantages, this get cancelled, it's getting cancelled, it becomes secant square x, and this is getting cosecant square x. Tan x minus cot x plus c. Finish the whole exercise. Please finish it off, guys.